This repair video for the P219F error code is specifically tailored for Subaru drivers. If your Subaru showing up P219F code, this is for you. This means that the PCM has detected the air-fuel mixture in the number 4 cylinder is significantly different from the other cylinders. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensors. Malfunctioning mass airflow sensor. Problematic fuel injector. Ignition system issues. Wiring issues. Intake system leaks. Low engine compression. Faulty engine control module. Here are 4 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the mass sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. So here is the practical solution to fix the P219F error code. Fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. Here is one method to fix the spark plug. Adjust the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under the plug covers that attach them. First, carefully remove the spark plug. Use the spark plug gapper to check the spacing of this spark plug. Normally, spacing should be between 0.024 to 0.071 inches. As you see, the spacing of this spark plug is bit low. Use the spark plug gapper to increase the spacing back to the normal range. But if you see there is obvious damage on the spark plug, just simply replace it with a new one. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Alfa Romeo, Hyundai, Honda, Subaru, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.